Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Google account PIN number or password. If you need to update your credentials, don't worry, it's simple. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. To begin, you'll need to access your Google account. So open your browser, go to www.myaccount.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Google account dashboard. On the left side, find the Security tab and click on it. This will open a new section for your account's security settings. Step 3. Now scroll down until you see a section titled How You Sign In to Google or Signing Into Google. Click on its password section to proceed. A page will pop up asking you to enter your current PIN or password. Once you've done that, you'll be able to update it. Step 4. You'll now be prompted to enter a new password or PIN. Make sure your new password has at least 8 characters and avoid using consecutive numbers. You'll need to confirm it by typing it again. Continue following the prompts, and once you've completed everything, your new PIN or password will be set. That's it. Your Google account is now updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.